A dog bite victim and the owner of the dog that bit him often have a lot in common. They're both usually dog lovers. 7 out of 10 times they're also relatives, friends, or neighbors. But 100% of the time, they both want the dog owner's insurance to pay whatever has to be paid. That won't happen if there's no coverage. Homeowner's insurance covers dog bites and renter's insurance covers dog bites, but there are policies that exclude dog bites, and that exclusion means no coverage. There are 2 kinds of exclusions to watch out for. There's the blanket exclusion, no dog bites are covered, or no accidents involving animals are covered. Then there's the breed exclusion. Pit bull bites are not covered, or bites by a whole range of breeds are not covered. No coverage is bad news. It's bad for the victim and it's bad for the dog owner. I have a couple of tips for dog bite lawyers. The first is this: find out if there's a blanket exclusion as soon as you can. The second is never mention the breed of the attacking dog, especially if it's a pit bull. Resist the temptation. If it's any kind of a high-risk dog, resist the temptation. Rottweilers, Akitas, Chow Chows, Huskies, any medium-sized dog, resist the temptation. Don't mention the breed until the adjuster does or until the defense attorney does. Now, how do you find out whether there's an exclusion or whether the defense knows the breed? In some states, they have to give you a copy of the policy even prior to filing a lawsuit if you ask for it. That's good, but not always enough. If the policy has a breed exclusion, you need to find out what they think the breed was. As the victim's lawyer, what do? This is something you can't afford to screw up. I'll tell you what I do. I file suit, and then I send the right interrogatories, the right request for documents, and the right request for admissions. It's easy to do in my office. They're already drafted. I've been handling dog bite cases since 1991, and I have a lot of hard-hitting stuff. Pleadings, deposition questions, interrogatories, and checklists of everything you need to win a dog bite case for the victim. I've put it online. You can have it all in a few minutes. You can download it and use it today, cheaper than the cost of typing it. You don't have to reinvent the wheel to win your dog bite case. Get the dog bite forms for plaintiffs' lawyers only and go home early tonight.